Hello friend, welcome to PR Academy. This lecture is dedicated to Panchayati Raj. In this lecture, we will see the how Panchayati Raj come into existence and what was the history. So, in Article 40 of Directive Principle of State Policy, say that state shall take step to organize village panchayat and endow them with such power and authority as may be necessary to enable them to function as a unit of self-government. So, in Directive Principle of State Policy in Article 40, the Panchayati Raj term is not mentioned, but the term village panchayat mentioned. So Panchayati Raj is a rural, local self-government body. Okay, so local government is mentioned in state list. So of seven schedule in seven schedule there are three lists. One is union list, second is state list, and third is concurrent list. In the next lecture or in upcoming lecture we will study the schedule separately. Okay, so Panchayati Raj was not a part of original constitution. So remember that in original constitution the Panchayati Raj was not mentioned. Panchayati Raj was made a constitution body through the amendment. Which amendment? 73 Amendment Act of 1992. Okay, so what was before the Panchayati Raj? So government has launched the Community Development Program CDP in 1952. Oh, and after the CDP, the government has launched the National Extensive Service NES in 1953. Okay, so these two were the past. Okay, so background. So in background, in year 1957, the government of India appointed the Balbant Rai Mehta Committee, BR Mehta Committee. This is the important point you have to remember. BR Mehta Committee appointed by the government of India. And B.R. Mehta committee was appointed to look into the function of CDP and NES. Okay, so B.R. Mehta committee submitted the report in 1957. In 1957 recommendation committee recommended the establishment of the scheme of democratic decentralization, which is also known as the Panchayati Raj. Means the power should be the decentralized. The recommendation was accepted by the National Development Council in January 1958, and the Rajasthan was the first state to establish the Panchayati Raj in India on the October 2, 1959. Okay, so Rajasthan was the first state, and this is important for your examination point of view. So remember this one. So B.R. Mehta committee recommendation. So B.R. Mehta recommendation for establishment of three-tier structure Panchayati Raj system. Gram Panchayat at village level, Panchayati Samiti at block level, Jila Parishad at district level. Okay, so village panchayat should be constituent with directly elected representative. Mean जो प्रधान, ठीक है ना. ओके, जो प्रधान होते हैं वो डायरेक्टली इलेक्टिव रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं. एंड अनदर इज पंचायत समिति. पंचायत समिति शुड बी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट विद इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड मेंबर. ओके, तो पंचायत समिति जो बनती है वो इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्टिव मेंबर से बनती है. जिला परिषद ऑल्सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट विद द इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड मेंबर. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द पंचायत समिति एंड जिला परिषद जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूट होती है वो इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड मेंबर होते हैं. ओके, डायरेक्टली नहीं होते हैं. सिर्फ विलेज पंचायत जो पंचायत होती है उसमें ही सिर्फ इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं. तो ऑल द प्लानिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटी शुड बी इंटरेस्टेड टू द पंचायती राज बॉडी. द पंचायती समिति शुड बी एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी. ओके, द जिला परिषद शुड बी द एडवाइजरी, जिला परिषद वो एडवाइजरी होगा, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग होगा और सुपरवाइजरी बॉडी होगी। डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर शुड बी द चेयरमैन ऑफ जिला परिषद, जिला परिषद आपका जो होगा, जो बॉडी होगी उसका चेयरमैन होगा आपका डीएम, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर। देयर शुड बी द जेन्युइन ट्रांसफर ऑफ पावर एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू दीज डेमोक्रेटिक बॉडीज, सो जेन्युइन ट्रांसफर ऑफ पावर and responsibility to these democratic body. These bodies should be transferred with adequate resources. So without resources there cannot be any development. Here the adequate resources means financial resources like this. So a system should be evolved for further devaluation of authority in future. Okay, so system should be evolved for further devaluation of authority. अथॉरिटी का अब ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं, अथॉरिटी अब नीचे ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं नीचे लेवल पर इन फ्यूचर. सो नेशनल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल accepted the recommendation in 1958. So NDC said that the basic principles should be identical throughout the country. Okay, so which is the first state to stabilize the Panchayati Raj? The scheme of Panchayati Raj was first stabilized in Rajasthan and inaugurated on October 2, 1959 by Pradhan Mantri Jawaharlal Nehru. Rajasthan was followed by the Andhra Pradesh and so on the other state. There were many differences among the state in structure and function of Panchayati Raj. The state like Rajasthan and Andhra adopted the 3-tier system. West Bengal adopted the 4-tier system. So Tamil Nadu adopted the 2-tier system. So there was not uniformity in the tier type. Okay, so next one is the Ashok Mehta Committee. So Ashok Mehta Committee in 1977 formed by the Janata Party government. Pradhan Mantri was the Morarji Desai. Okay, so Committee on Panchayati Raj Institution. Ashok Mehta was the chairman of committee. Ashok Mehta Committee submitted the report in 1978 August. To strengthen the Panchayati Raj system, the Ashok Mehta Committee made the 132 recommendation. Okay, the committee recommendation for adoption of 2 tiers structure. Okay, so this committee recommended for 2-tier structure. First is Jila Parishad at district level and other is Mandal Panchayat at Mandal level. Okay, Mandal Panchayat is a group of villages. Okay, with a population of 15,000 to 20,000. Okay, so जिला परिषद एट ए डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल शुड बी द एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी. ओके, तो जिला परिषद आपका वो एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी होगा और मंडल पंचायत शुड बी द ग्रुप ऑफ द विलेजेज. जिला परिषद मस्ट बी मेड रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्लानिंग एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल. ओके, तो देयर शुड बी द ऑफिशियल लेवल पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी एट ऑल लेवल ऑफ पंचायत इलेक्शन. ओके, तो देयर शुड बी द ऑफिशियल लेवल पार्टिसिपेशन होगा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का. ओके, और एट ऑल लेवल ऑफ पंचायत इलेक्शन. ओके, द पंचायती राज मस्ट हैव कंपल्सरी पावर ऑफ टैक्सेशन टू मोबिलाइज देयर ओन फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज. तो फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज कहाँ से आएंगे? तो उसके लिए पंचायती राज के पास पावर होनी चाहिए टैक्सेशन की. देयर शुड बी द रेगुलर सोशल ऑडिट बाय द डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल एजेंसी एंड बाई कमिटी of legislature to check whether the fund allotted to vulnerable social economic group are actually spent on them or not. The state government should not supersede the Panchayati Raj. In case of the session election should be held within 6 months. The Nyay Panchayat should be presided over by the qualified judge. The Nyay Panchayat should be kept as a separate body. The chief electoral office in the consultation with chief election commissioner should be conducted the election of Panchayati Raj. Okay, the minister of Panchayat Raj should be appointed. Okay, the seat of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe should be reserved on the basis of their population. Okay, so note down that no action was taken on the recommendation of Ashok Mehta Committee report as Janata Party. Government stepped down before the term due to the political term. So in the next lecture we will continue this Panchayati Raj in lecture number 2. Okay, thank you.